Hello, another one of my projects late at night at work. I'm like a little elf, aren't I? Everybody's gone home and I get to work. I'm Sally Jacks. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Sally Jacks TV mum, and actually I do work on television, so that's where I am. I'm in our green room now, just beavering away at nearly 1:30 in the morning. So what am I doing today? I'm going to do that beautiful hoop. So first of all, I've taken a lump of wood. I don't know whether this is a bit too thick, perhaps it is, but never mind. And I've painted it green. It's called, I think it's Hooper's Green or Hooker's Green from the range. And I've also got some Oasis floral foam. But this is for the artificial flowers because it holds a bit more. The real Oasis isn't going to hold on this one. You'd have to, if you wanted to use real flowers on this one, you're going to have to find another way of doing it. So what I want to do is I want to stick that down on here, and I want to get it right in the middle. So I've got my glue gun. The middle of here. Now what I might do is I might chop that in half, that plank of wood, but I'll just see what it's like when I finish. So, oh, we've still got one rolling around in there. So I've taken a hula hoop, that's a kid's hula hoop, because I'm going to do something with this as well. And I've opened it up. Now you can still hear it's still got the peas in there, which I'm just going to drop out. I'll put them in the bin. I thought I'd put them all in the bin. So I'm going to have to come back a little bit, aren't I, for you to be able to see. So I want to fit this in to here, like so. But first of all, before I do, I really want it to be secure. So I am going to first glue gun it.
Just glue gun either side and stick it in, wedge it in to the sponge and let it dry.
It's not the same as working from home. You don't have the same stuff. So carrying on at home, what I was doing at work is this great big wreath. So I've wrapped ivy round all round here, and I've actually gone and got some better scissors to be able to cut my eucalyptus and things like that. So this is going to be really easy now to trim. I've got some much better, oh, saying that, blooming heck, saying that, this is still difficult to be able to cut all these off. And then I've also got some moss to be able to hang in between the hula hoop. Blimey, that is meant to be able to cut anything. It's obviously still quite difficult. So again, it's just fitting them inside the gaps and making sure that there's no gaps on here, because there's quite a lot of gaps around the sides, etc. I am going to put a few real flowers in here for on the day as well, because I just don't want you to be able to see. I want them to be able to, you know, not know whether it's real or fake. So that is my finished arch for a wedding, for a party. I'm actually going to be placing fudge and strawberries around it, which are, fudge is going to be made out of chocolate and mini eggs. I'll leave the description below if I remember. It's on one of my posts. And also chocolate covered strawberries as well. Just getting up close, you can see that there's a lot in there. But I always think that the fuller the better for something like this. You can do sort of more delicate ones, and then round the outside, if I go really slowly, you can see the ivy, and then I've put the moss in between. Rather than putting the moss, then putting the ivy around, then you're wasting it. So, and then in the middle, they are actually fake fruit, but they look amazing. They were from QD in Peterborough. I think I put one of those on my other post, and that's it. That is the finished, what do you call it? Wedding hoop? Party hoop? Just out of a kid's hula hoop. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. The subscribe button's just here. Please hit that subscribe button. It'd be lovely to have you join us. Speak to you later. Bye.